I cannot even remember the last time I've been to a museum, but the nature museum sounds pretty fun. Let's go. Alright, travel friends, I've booked another hotel and surprise, surprise, it's in the middle of a car repairing area. I guess it's gonna be a short night. We have arrived and the entrance is 500 rupiah. Let's see what this museum has to offer. And we are being welcomed by this huge crocodile, which is extinct in Pakistan but can still be found in some countries like India. And this, my travel friends, is a blind dolphin, believe it or not. Of course, we have the marker goat, which I believe is Pakistan's national animal. Check this out, a beak of a sawfish. It looks exactly like a chainsaw. Amazing. Look at this cool lineup with a pangolin, a badger and martens. I never really liked museums, but this is such a fun way to explore the biodiversity of Pakistan. What do we have here? A skeleton of an elephant. And a giraffe, I don't know. They also have a primates collection with the Africanus here. The Punjabicus, interesting names. Some Australians call habilis, erectus, and of course the most dangerous at this time, the sapiens. The economic importance of plants. And of course there's a British tea brand, if you know what I mean. We have some minerals over here used for daily things like toothpaste and talcum powder. So amazing how many blessings nature has to offer, and most of the time we're not even realizing it. Look at this nest architecture and the color of this bird. Beautiful. And what is this? A termite's nest. Amazing. Looks like a castle for insects. Nature's balance is so wonderful, guys. The ecosystems, the climates, and Pakistan has it all. Bears in the forest, the beautiful snow leopards in the mountains, one of my favorite animals. 3 main types of rocks in Pakistan. Let's check them out, guys. This looks like another blue whale. Did you guys know there were so many different stones? Check out this massive stone collection, guys. Copper, lead, quartz. I didn't even know there were so many different quartz. Look at them shining. Check out this chunk, guys. If I would collect something, it would probably be gemstones. And by the way, I'm visiting a famous gemstone market soon, so if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. Check out this wall, guys. I'm so mesmerized. There's so much more to see, but some sections are closed, unfortunately. Don't miss out on this museum, guys, when visiting Islamabad. I can promise you will definitely love it. And just like that, my travel friends, we are at the Heritage Museum, a few minutes away from the Nature Museum. I'm gonna end this video with some awesome Pakistani art. See you on the next adventure, guys. Ciao, ciao.